Moskvich 2140 is one of those cars that instantly takes you back to the era of Soviet motoring, rugged, boxy, and built to last through almost anything. Produced by AZLK, Moskvich, from 1976 to 1988, this car was a symbol of everyday life across the Soviet Union and Eastern Europe. It was never luxurious or fast, but it was dependable and familiar, a true workhorse for the average citizen. Under the hood, the Moskvich 2140 was powered by a 1.5-liter inline-4 engine, which produced around 75 horsepower. It wasn't a performance machine by any means, but it got the job done. The car was designed more for endurance than excitement. The simple mechanical setup made it easy to repair, even on the side of the road, a necessity in a country where spare parts weren't always readily available. The exterior design reflected Soviet practicality. Straight lines, flat panels, and a rather plain grille gave it a no-nonsense look. The 2140 was not designed to turn heads but to function in harsh climates, from freezing Siberian winters to scorching Central Asian summers. Despite its simplicity, there was a certain charm in its utilitarian honesty. Inside, the Moskvich 2140's interior was basic, with vinyl seats, a minimal dashboard, and few comfort features. It wasn't meant to impress, but it did offer what drivers needed: a steering wheel, gear lever, and a few gauges. The sparse cabin reflected the realities of Soviet manufacturing, where luxury was often sacrificed for affordability and durability. One of the most remarkable aspects of the Moskvich 2140 was its toughness. The suspension was built to handle rough, unpaved roads, and the car's high ground clearance made it ideal for rural areas. In many parts of the USSR, the 2140 became a lifeline for families, farmers, and government workers who relied on it daily. Despite its reputation for simplicity, the 2140 was relatively advanced for its time compared to some other Eastern Bloc cars. It featured disc brakes in the front and had decent safety for a vehicle of that era. While not luxurious, it represented a solid step forward in the evolution of Soviet automotive engineering. The car also had a certain versatility. It was used as a family sedan, a taxi, and even for light commercial purposes. In many smaller towns, the Moskvich 2140 was one of the few vehicles available for public transport. Its reliability made it a favorite among taxi drivers who needed something that could handle long hours and rough conditions. The 2140 wasn't just a car, it was part of Soviet culture. It appeared in movies, news reports, and even literature as a symbol of ordinary life. For many families, owning a Moskvich meant stability and independence. It was often one of the biggest purchases a person could make, and getting one sometimes required years on a waiting list. While the car's performance couldn't compete with Western models, its simplicity made it beloved by mechanics and drivers alike. Anyone with basic mechanical knowledge could fix a Moskvich with a few tools. That repairability was a key reason the 2140 remained on the roads long after production ended. By the 1980s, however, the Moskvich 2140 began to show its age. Western manufacturers were introducing more advanced models with better comfort, efficiency, and design. Even within the Soviet bloc, cars like the Lada and Wartburg started to overshadow the Moskvich.